Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got the Seagrave Fire truck, and this casting is by Matchbox and it's from the moving parts supply. This thing comes extra in the box and you can attach to it. You don't have to do more, I think you can just push it and it goes inside like that, and then you can move it. It's a moving part. Apart from that, the whole ladder goes up and it moves on the sides. Pretty good, right? So apart from that moving ladder, let's see what else it has got. Very nice details on the side. I really like these wheels on the trucks. They look really good. You've got a bunch of stuff written on the side: fire rescue, the unit number, EMS, fire depot, and you've got the step. Obviously all the, what do you say, all the controls are here. Also on the back, you can see, I do like how they've done this diamond pattern, which you get on the steel, like used on most of the trucks. Good details again on the handlebars and everything. You can see those are detailed. Even on the back here, the handlebars opening for like all the boxes are detailed. So good detail there. You can also see the lights on the side, obviously when they flash. When it comes to front, again good details up front. You've got detailed headlamp, detailed grille, twin windshield, again chrome bumper. I think they come with chrome bumper. Not sure about the top part, but most of them come with chrome bumper. Now coming to the passenger side, almost identical steps for driver and passengers to get in, grab handles. It's good details. I like the details on this one. Even on the top you can see some good details there. Coming to the back, it's all chrome. Tail lamps, I'm not sure, these might be the tail lamps on the bottom, but they are not detailed. So if you want, you can add small details on it. But I like everything else, steps and ladders, like all the details you see on the truck. They're really good. Yeah, I got this one, and then I got a fire truck from the mainline Matchbox. So yeah, should make a good addition to the collection. Overall thoughts: it's a nice casting with nice details, mirrors and everything. So if obviously it's not 1/64, it's going to be smaller than that. It's just a 3-inch casting, so it will look a bit odd if you keep it side to a 3-inch 1/64 casting. But if you like these, if you like trucks, it's a nice one and you can add to your collection. Well, that's what I think. Thank you for watching.